In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free signals to trade the market each and every day. I will also show you how I use these signals to increase my win rate by also adding my own price action into these signals. The first thing that you want to do is you want to download the Fastable app. Once you download the Fastable app, I will leave a link in the description. You are going to open this app. Once you open this app, this is an application which gives you much data about trading, and I think this is a very good thing that we have been missing as traders before. So once you open this, you want to go to the signal section right here. If you look here, you are going to see that there is 1216 signals posted so far, and then 62% win rate. Now the profit and loss ratio is 0.96, which is not a very good thing, but the thing is these signals always follow a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if you want to be profitable here, you want to increase the risk to reward ratio, but then you are going to see that the win rate for these signals are very high. You click on rankings, you can see that there's a list of people that you can follow that post profitable signals. For example, the Gold Reaper, which is on number 1, you have a profit of 292 pips. So these are pips, not money. So which means 252, if you are making $10 per pip, you could have made $2,000 easily following the Gold Reaper. So what you want to do is, you can see even the win rate is 83%. So you can look at anyone here who is posting the signals that you think are good for you, and then what you want to do is you want to follow that person. You can subscribe. So for you to subscribe, you need to create an account, or you need to sign in if you already have an account. So just sign into my own account. Okay, now that I'm logged in, I can subscribe to anyone who I want to see their signals here. So I can just click subscribe to all the top people who are posting signals. Now, when they post the signals, here is the most important part here. So most people can get this wrong and you lose money. So what you want to do is, when you see a signals, for example, here you can see that the first signal that is here is buy gold USD. So on this signal, so far the market is on the low side, but it's not closed yet. So before I enter into this market, I just come here and I say, okay, the decision here is to buy. So I need to also confirm. So what I do next is I go back to MetaTrader. So now once we open MetaTrader, the next thing that I'm going to do here is to look for what are the reasons that I need to buy here. So if you look at this chart here, you can see that we are in a very strong uptrend here with gold, and we are on a support level, right? So I can mark up this zone is our level of support. So if I mark out this zone, you're going to see that this is a strong level of structure, and from this point here, I'm confident that the market is going to push to the upside. Why? Because we are on the level of structure. Now I confirmed these signals, and now if I want to buy here, I will just go ahead and click buy. I'll put my stop loss maybe at this point, and then I will put my take profit above on the upper zone. Now I'll just take these signals, which is a very good signal, because statistically this application creates profitable strategies, but then I also add my own confluence and then my good risk to reward ratio, so that at the end of the day I'll always be profitable. So let me show you another example. So if we go back to Fastable again, and then let's say we take another trade here. So another trade right here which we can take is, for example, let's say this one which says sell euro odd. So if you look at this, you can see there's a take profit, there's stop loss, and then this trade if just begun. It's not yet lost, it's not yet won, and you can see that this trade might be a good trade, because the people that are giving these signals are having like 70%, 67% win rate. So I'm sure that this is a good trade, but first I need to go back to MetaTrader, and then when I go back to MetaTrader, I'm gonna open euro odd, and then I want to analyze the market on my own and see what are the reasons for entering these trades. So this one says sell, right? So what I'm looking at here is there a reason for me to sell? So on this one here, you can see that we have a good level of structure again here. You can see the market touched this point. Let me mark this. So you can see the market touched this point right here. It touched again this point, and now it's on that zone again. So this gives us a good break and retest trade. So you can do this on your computer, you can do this on your phone. Today I just used my phone because I wanted you guys to see that even if you don't have the computer, you can use these strategies and make your good profits. Now the other thing that we can look for here that can confirm to us that this is a good trade is also probably this double top that is being created right here. So I'm expecting prices to drop here. So the sell trade makes sense for me. Now I can even make more money like this because once I see what Euro odd is doing, and if I place a sell order here, now I can only use these signals, but I can even make more money. The only thing that I want to do is use what is called correlation. If you want to learn more about correlation and how you can do it in Fastable to increase your winning probability and also to increase your profits with less trades, make sure to check out the video coming up on the screen right now and watch it, and you're going to see how you can turn one trade into like 5-6 trades just because of knowing how the market moves.